You've heard of Ella and Sigiriya. But what if I told you Sri Lanka hides waterfalls, cliffs and temples even locals rarely visit? Welcome to Global Luxe Journeys. In this film, we uncover Sri Lanka's most secret treasures: waterfalls lost in mist, forgotten temples, untouched beaches, and mountain villages that feel timeless. Tucked near Nuwara Elia, Bomburu Ella roars through emerald valleys, Sri Lanka's widest and wildest waterfall. At Diyaluma, skip the crowds and head to the base pools, natural lagoons where jungle meets thunder. Hidden in the hills, Aberdeen Falls crashes through a rainforest untouched by modern life. On the southern coast, the Kirinda beach caves echo with legends of lost ships and kings, carved by centuries of waves. Deep in the forest near Welawaya, Buduruwagala stands, 7 colossal Buddhas carved into stone more than 1,000 years ago. In the misty north of Dambulla, Ritigala Monastery sleeps beneath moss and silence, an ancient retreat once home to meditating monks. Climb the stone stairway of Yapahua Fortress, a forgotten royal capital guarding the secrets of a lost era. High above the jungle, Mulkirigala Rock Temple reveals colorful murals and chanting monks surrounded by the scent of rain. Far from crowds, Madulsima Mini World's End offers a sunrise above clouds that rival Horton Plains. The remote village of Mimur lies beyond winding roads, where wooden homes, rice fields and laughter echo through green valleys. Haputail Ridge stretches along the clouds, a place where tea pickers sing and mist rolls beneath your feet. At Lipton Seat, watch the first light of day spill across endless tea gardens once owned by the world's tea baron. On the east coast, Calcutta Bay glows in turquoise silence, miles of untouched sand and calm water. Nearby, the Panama Lagoon mirrors the sunrise, with wild horses wandering between jungle and sea. Further north, Upuvali Beach offers pink sunsets, coral reefs and serenity by the sea. Hidden behind palms, Hiriketia Cove curves like a secret, the perfect mix of surf and solitude. In Talala Bay, fishermen mend their nets as the sun paints gold over the still horizon. In the island's wild heart lies Kumana National Park, a quiet refuge of lagoons, elephants and rare birds. Not far away, the Sinharaja rainforest whispers with life, glowing ferns, waterfalls, and sunlight filtering through ancient canopies. For something truly magical, sail across Gal Oya Lake, where elephants swim between islands at dusk. At dawn, climb Pidurangala Rock and watch Sigiriya rise from the jungle mist like a golden crown. Further north, the Jaffna Fort glows amber against the sea, a symbol of history and resilience. On Manor Island, a 700-year-old baobab tree tells tales of traders and storms. And across the water, Delft Island feels frozen in time. Wild horses, coral fences, and endless silence. By the southern cliffs, the Tangali blowhole sends sea spray 30 feet into the sky, nature's roar made visible. Deep in the southwest, Canalia Forest breathes quietly. Butterflies, crystal streams, and one of Sri Lanka's last untouched rainforests. Sri Lanka's hidden side is full of wonder, a world of mountains, temples, and oceans waiting beyond the tourist trail. Which of these secret places amazed you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Global Luxe Journeys for more cinematic journeys around the world.